companies so that they can do their mining.
His Excellency Rajon Dramani Mahama.
Ya kwa poye mantemu achechere foku ahodo ye wa poye mantemu wa ye oye kyerɛkyerɛ sɛ adwuma no a wɔyɛ no nyame anim ne ɔmo so mbɛtena se saa ye adwuma no a enema bɛ ha adwenti wa ye oye kyerɛ ensam de watrɔtrɔ bi pa ade agu nkrata ahodo so ya wɔde kyerɛ wiase nyinaa sɛ aban no ɛbra so sɛ wɔsɛ wɔn tenkan bi mu a ate aka mu no aban no hwɛ na wɔde ɛma wɔ mo na poye mantemu jamtrani ɛde ma kyerɛkyerɛfo ekoyi yewura Patrick Boyson yebusa ne sesese no nti moduro fa hen no
say teacher for baby I do no say ya bre e ye neman 9 pa na ehwe fi aban ho se ya ka say e deprived area allowance, assessment allowance, CPD adjustment and a book and data online allowance sa na man 9 and ye ka ho asem e ye neman 17 e yi mu abeka 4 pe ye say aban no ye man 31st of this month say ya antenin kan we have leadership yen impanifo bedins awoso na nea efata ichene bia na mombi ase etu bia we dey address our concerns as teachers no ye be e dey amomani na aso ache we advise ourselves na strike is not an strike is an option that we can also use because ye djuma ye no bra ye bring na kakra ye pa kan ye dey on etimi abobra na enkoyi a MC je djuma no to ho a na ban beti ase a ebetimi ayi nsa if say ye call strike and about Casato say, or enjoy him and in common. Now, common a cost no, you need you would never be a free university of Hobio. Your cover Abian and I bet yes. Your current economic crisis means they push the crisis in over the years. Yes, say over 15 years now. And I in demand about allowances. Opa teacher for ya pet ya someone. We the basics are in free more. Apart from CPD allowance, I was a CR. Yes, so there any allowance be teacher for generality of us no yes aka.
Na enuachi Eastern Regional Coordinating Council paniya wo free hoba ya obeje krata no e wo mrase bedwane no edini mu no wono so de nsa kakra man semtro for say.
So we received your petition. Unfortunately, there is an emergency today. So the regional minister is out of the municipality. He is not available as at now. So when he comes, we shall hand over this petition to him. And I can assure you that we shall submit it to the appropriate protest for redress.
Yakoya name one from Sabre Ghana City no any America dollars in Guswada ya kontokwa ni nyina ne se ne yesu ko pebi ene se 15 e gino Nigeria for the ene so ene o kokwa o Nigeria wa na che se 18 etuamu na muse ya ne ye mo twe dollars se ya e de kura amaye no yete ha ye ho e kire yen ye maame ne ye papa no ma wo mu di dwa garages kuma se so amemezi ene wo mo kasa said wo how pa ene de abeto so wo breast na wo de confirm na dollar no gina agina no o se kobasa wo nim de wo mo be yenti agise wo mo pro wo mo mpe wo mo tototo wo mo niemanim guta for friends and trofon share mu de asem kroya to aban wanim so ene bibi so enfanfa Sompa ya pono so na Reverend Edu Michael wo no so ko ekoti be kani ene ye maame no ne papa no etwetwe nkomo
Ukraine ayese dollar na e kosoro ne de na mi so Ukraine afeti eduma ne pa amase ade sen nyina ma enioma no bonu pa na e kosoro nso a na amase omo beto enioma no so no do a na ho boase ebia ene ade na 2000 na wo ba beto ade be chi obeto yesa ade de ku 2005 yesa na ma kwa no beto no so no so wasa next obeko be ba no no 50,000 because of 3,000 because of dollar na cost no ama say yes am so a ama ya ton no man so no e my market no the perform pra because of say dollar no cost no I just say I just quite be so me I don't know the cost okay and also can be there but if I'm to say dollar because it na and that's a boy na pa obi
na
and the American say is a no omo na when I say dollar no it mean that
ya maame ne papa no ma wo mo ye adwuma so amemezi
sansensanu a Dr. Atoba Forsen so edna no atum na o chechire mu kyerese ba bia aduru no se aban no anya adwuma enwuma e wo Ghana ha no de ebegu kyerese sika sam no ba na eba famo
In spite of the huge inflows of foreign exchange from the IMF and the World Bank into the Ghanaian economy, and I'm talking of billions of Ghana cedis, billions of US dollars, the government's action and its management of the cedi have continued to fuel steep depreciation with no end in sight, unfortunately. So far, the decisions of the economic management team, chaired by our Vice President, Alhaji Bawumia, leaves a lot to be desired. The reality of the Ghanaian economy today exposes the credentials of the so-called economic whiz kid, who was marketed as the savior of Ghana's economy. Alhaji Bawumia's credibility is now in tatters, completely tatters. The steep depreciation of the cedi has resulted in an increase in the prices of goods and services as several businesses continue to revise prices upwards. This development would further worsen the plight of the already suffering Ghanaians. It is even more worrying and depressing to see constant media reports of escalating prices of goods and services as a result of traders' inability to service their loans and restock due to the rapid fall of the Ghanaian cedi. At this point, traders, especially importers, require more money to buy or import the same quantity of items that they could have previously purchased with less money. One can imagine the impact of this free fall of the cedi on businesses at Abosokai.
Ira Atoba Forson.
Yefra to ba force in seminar about to just say America dollars for PPINC and Fabia Rekra poultry ehuniema we nyina be to dwa obra National Association of Poultry Farmers uravito upon jesi edeba be tu mu ono ne national president na wo chechire mu se yesi di ya won ko fom na afie bi etumi kra America dollars ehuniema say dia kaye makwan wo mai mu na ye ne etumi aye dia sika ni na kebeka wo manum na wo mu di dwuma bi wo Mclean Hotel wo mu di seminar bi tintam so ani DC amanyoko ne Ghana National Association of Poultry Farmers for ye and our dear semi tumu. Say I can say good for a cabby, garages for a cabby, says the near me cro na $1 no, I will no and penny form them and 10.
So about $600 million and I did come before Ediba or main Masidia. $600 million and a $10 dollar a cost. Says, hey, I say dollar to 15 cents. It is a young share imports no and Squire dollar and the difference said 20 cents. Let's say Squire has $600 million. Let's say the idea you be program that ye one at the pija port na e Ghana na abwa mienya create enima port private creating by $1 million.
We Ayora Victor upon AJ where national president Edema Yama many papa no one mokra potri ho anema.
Jumadi no asero na enwumasio mu obenfo na na agene opoko agiman ono na wo bo kane mampani John Dramani Mahama chidom na owase ensem ana wode atudwa no chechire mu se trimupo ya egun krata so efe ne se manifesto no ombetwe wo bia e de awuram amadwuma no ayefo de amawo mu.
Ese baby ABC so be before forever. Let's so some just so when to me I come na ya dia na eda na so kunim send this for there anya say baka say dey abi nti obi a nti e manifesto no akofa ni baka kra bi akosa dem no ma be church nka nyeti e bi ti ya mo fefe na so manifesto dey mama say e manipa nti so bi some ni pa kon swachi. So, Obia Yamiamana and Lindian. It will be sent now be one so they have no, and they are quite a person who Nima or Faso. And Timoton suffered the day. It's over the tea importing so or how or more the recommendations about Nina and Wine. It went to Yaman and Ham. Now, or Semimina, Nanem, Namesusumide, and DJ Aji of Freno. They said they are all in Mesusumi Faso. Say ye bia nipa na wo ya ma no de so bisa na dwe e so no susu na dwe ba e sa wo wia wasam ne nyetintintin e so kan e bia so secondary school bi ni mitimi ntu afis e tie nye de obi se betimi ntu obi se mitimi ntu obi se mi de mpabo pra me sha kwa na emedi
we eyangumasio mu obenfo na na agene opoko agiman on na wɔyɛ frankrakurafo abɛde akyire edema NDC amanyɔkɔ no dwumadie no ase no Dr. Louisa Hannah Bisiu National Women Organizer edema NDC amanyɔkɔ no na ɔhɔ ɔno nso gya yɛ kwan sei
ntɛsɛ wo hwɛ na wo hwɛ bia de obenya de bɛya abofo bia so bɛkɔ n'ani na obesua de papa na ɔde sɛ it's papa baby no de bɛkɔ ne saa na abofo bia ɛfɛ enti sɛ bɛbɛ gyina na nɛmo a me so de nije agye ɔfrɛ no enti efiri ha ɛkɔ edi me so mɛtɔ me bona makan your person but
I say you big Kenya portrait you man and nti akuafo adi omo ahyem and nti so no na one to every Ghana poultry farmer ho 40% ayama wo grana member wo graba ye make sure say ye kan to say wo de anya hwe bi every say you will say crobit is Turkey baby o mo try ne grana free one 20 years ago they were west off etu say one farm ban one ya penita ye ma winni no kreni ebinom na mpro wo tapra report na enye boapayo na mo me pese mo mu se emra e wo man mu
National Women Organizer Dema NDC amanyɔkɔ Dr. Louisa Hannah Bisiu na yɛte ne nkan
Fidelity Bank ne Kumasi Kropon bedwa enra wɔn si nkonwa ɛma wɔn so eso adwen wɔn nsɛm bi ho etiefo bɛka yɛ beto odwa sɛ Ghana sikafre wɔ pepe miensa ɛkyiri ponsia bi akɔ ne nyina da Krofrom redevelopment project edwa kɛse a yɛyɛ de ama wonom ɛno ne nam so ma wɔ hyia yeso eso adwen ba bi asɛm no fire otumi kyire mu pa na Sompa ya pono so ne beto odwa sɛ account officer wo Kumasi Kropon bedwa Owura David Abamagye ede ba betu dwa wo kyerem sɛ saa 3.6 million no onmonyafo osesi be ntwa akane na wo ye amrado wo mo wanfa ne nsa nhye krata bia se wo bra wo kosan krata no na assembly ni mu hye wo mo nte ho hye meeting yom koye ne mure ne betu dwa sɛ no kuro bia danim saa asem ni nyina mo ka bi wo mo boa assembly no na nani tua bibia mu contract Fidelity ani Kumasi Kropon bedwa no ekosan ye no nam so mentiase kora akwakoye adwuma saa brede contractor ni so obehia 40 and 50 no ade aka ho na project ni nyina dan so awie peye Owura David Abamagye awie na asem no se enam saa meeting ti adwen a na ewo nipa bi tirim se Kumasi Kropon bedwa num sika ti saa ayera no saa brede efu na ne abie ma no kora beda di se sika bi ani ho a eyerae
Kemi ekodi approval o General Assembly Don't approve as a young 5 million Ghana cedis and got to a cool food janoso. Ecosi, enough Fidelity, a cheer 8.6 million. International members need this as that 3.6 million. Yakofa Fifa. The next list for better room. We are bomb mama, and a day as some way in our by Sabia, the Sika 3 million. But the crew say Sikano and Raya, but they for the search the dear Omoko fast as Canada a fear. In general, as some buyers no, on the baby. And no more and say that's 3.6 million. Omoko you or big market limit. Market or not no fear. There is one based on but Anapema send him a letter to Sikamu. Into almost the letter Premier HSA, Kumasi City Council, and a Mao Mokwine, and Omukoyi, 8 million, and the now family business difference, maybe you know, think I think at today's HSA difference, you know, if she a chief of staff, a Mensia, and a science letter. It's a project. Also, Muja, go for market, almost started Muja to what.
Yewura David Abam Eje Kumasi KMA.
Empempi no se wonyate Dr. Edu anane entwipe na omo tiemu ape wonsika. Omo ye se ba bia ne makeka kono. Wan hwe ombewu kura ja wiase ho. Ama wiase kura fere. Na ewiase fere a aban so be fere bi pa. Omo sika atia kam aban de me ba na tinitiri ho ache. Into omo nkasa eka bomu se ombe kwa atra hwe sika sam ni ade ho nsam so. Na ebere omo koye no mkoto Yewura Steven Amoastika. Na wano no omukoto no na wano mu di nkomo pa ama omode ensam so egu nanim ono so kire se obi anka na koma mfa nto ne yam saa ntiemu a mo tiemu no aban no ate na ebre a edi anim enchekora aban no omuhu ya omo to no aban no beje so ede mo no musika bia aka aban ho a omo etisi monte so ye o ye kira hodo etiemu gu aban no so no aban ahwe na watua saa aka no ede mo Dr. Edu anane entwi na convener edemakoyi.
He called me and wanted to find out what was happening. Initially, there were some that we have to resolve it, the confusion but we had a fruitful discussion. I have briefed him what has happened so far. It looks as if he didn't have knowledge about what is happening. And I can agree. If sometimes it hasn't come to your desk, you wouldn't know. So what has happened is that he has, I have briefed him. He now understands the issues. He will go and find the letter. The petition. I've told him the petition was delivered by me myself to the office of the minister, so it cannot get missing anywhere. Plus the reminder. So he's going to take it up and have a discussion with the minister and give me or give us their response as soon as practicable.
Anope ebranko ebomodena epensionyu bi dware nefo ani kyeremo yankrabata bia eben ya ne sciatica expert no mantam dunsia nyina ye wo ho ye adwuma 21st clinic ana efrewe we are the sciatica expert ya renka ye bia ka ho bia nso busua ye ho adwuma hwehwemu bia woni padua mu bia nso ye no pepepe yo mfidia huntahunu abrane a ba bia ya wodu ani ba kyere mantam bia no ye be ya adwuma na kama edema ho ye ne sciatica expert no 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 ya je so no pay nyame ya atom na usia Dr. Silas ya wawie kra mizo no ya wode afra na afeso de yamfra ye ewo ho de hia na se obeto nsa de afra Dr. Silas e ba bia ya wo mantam dunsia ngina no empo amanone na wo na apese Dr. Silas e package bi na wode mane wa obaye ne sa kama dwumadie bia se mu amoto nsuo anone ahodo e wo traffic light mu ene kwa ho ne stores ahodo mu no obi ase mizo de yafra de yamfra ye ene de ekro 0246270221 0246270221 anopay no anadwono wa na yie kura na o complain sa ase koko hatwen ase wakwan o mirimu acha na dwono nyina ma woni a wono kura etifie na obia ebusa sa adan bibia bokode mesra for a center adi koko master no abadwa so emfa ho ne ba bia afifiri ni padua no mu ani anasa henefa ne nyina no ebeye ho adwuma sayem tim na hawo na wono maduru ya betimi afoka akoba bia akwa adwuma ba ebra wo hawo ne ma ne bia enim na nikasam ne hintasam a wache ni se Mr. Heba calling na Danny Heba na fenso apidang baby etondro bia no eye for a Heba center ona draw your friend Coco Master 0546107107 0546107107 na wajoso
ohini ni amakranchada zoas of mami premier ni asante boa Benedict onone semu for penny kukua Veronica Jandon so abebo adwuma ma ye sorry so die mi ru ayabo ama ede ade ache bia no etwa so